Do you look into your fridge every morning and think, oh no, eggs again? If that's you, then fear not, because today I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to add a punch of flavor to your eggs so you crave them every single morning. Hi, I'm Roshni and I'm thrilled to have you here. Today we're making 3 classic egg dishes and adding our own flavorful twist to them. First, we're going to make a fried egg. Then we're going to move into a masala omelette. And finally, we're going to make our version of an egg salad sandwich. Let's go. The first thing we're going to start with is a fried egg. This has a punch of flavor that's delivered through a simple fresh chili oil that we're going to start with. So let's begin. So I have some oil that's heating up here and I'm going to start by adding some whole spices to it. So here I have a bay leaf and a star anise and I'm going to add them into the oil. While the spices are infusing, let's look at what else goes into the chili oil. So I have some chopped up serrano peppers here. I love using Thai chili, so use whatever chili you prefer. Green is best. Then we have some chopped cilantro, and I have separated out the cilantro stems because they add a ton of flavor. And then we have the white and the green parts of scallions. And I also have some chopped up garlic here, and I'm going to add some salt into it. Then I'm going to add in the rest of the ingredients. Let's add a nice handful of the chilies. I'm gonna add in all of these cilantro stems. Then I'm gonna add some of the whites of the scallions and a little bit of the green. The oil is infused with the flavors of the spices and it's heated now. So now I'm going to add in this oil into this bowl of fresh ingredients. Give it a stir. Your fresh chili oil is ready. Now we're going to make the fried egg. So making a fried egg is really simple. There are a few things you need to keep in mind. One, you need to use a lot of oil if you want a crispy bottom. Second is that you want to tilt the pan away from you when you're spooning the hot oil on top of the egg to make sure that the top is as cooked as the bottom. So let's make sure that we're being safe because you will get splattered with hot oil if you tilt the pan towards you. Let's begin. It's much easier to pour the egg into the hot pan if it's in a bowl. You don't get any shells in there and you definitely don't risk breaking the egg yolk. So that's why I have it in a bowl here. Let's add in the oil. Once the oil starts smoking, we can add in the egg. So now the egg is cooking. As you can see, oil is splattering, so be careful. I'm gonna let this cook for just a few more seconds before I start spooning in the hot oil on this egg white that is not cooked. Tilt the pan away from your face. Take some oil and pour it onto the uncooked egg whites. Be very careful and gentle. Now I'm going to spoon over the chili oil that we prepared. The spiced fried egg is ready. Give it a try and I'm sure you'll love it. Now we're going to make an omelette and we're going to use some of the same ingredients that we used to make our fried egg to make this dish flavorful. So let's begin. I have 3 eggs here that I'm gonna crack into this bowl. So a little bit of the serrano, depends on your taste as however much you want. Some of the cilantro, I love adding a lot of cilantro. The whites of the scallions and a lot of the greens. Then let's add some salt, a little bit of pepper, and then we're gonna whisk it. And yes, I have a tiny whisk to whisk eggs. Let's cook the omelette now. There's really not much else to this recipe. It's very easy. A little bit of oil, spread it around so it covers the bottom of your pan and coats it evenly. The heat is on medium because we're not making a French omelette. We're making an American omelette, so we want some color on the omelette. Let's pour the eggs in. Let the eggs set just a little bit. Fold this omelette now. This is ready. We all know and love the egg salad sandwich, but today we're making a Dutt House version. You can find these on the streets of Calcutta, and what I love about these sandwiches is that they're toasted in butter. So you get that buttery exterior and the soft egg interior. It's delicious. This recipe is even easier than the last 2 recipes. So if you're loving these recipes, please like and share and subscribe to my channel. I have some eggs that I've boiled here, 2 eggs, and I boiled it for 6 minutes. So we need these eggs to be hard boiled for this sandwich. So let's peel them. Now let's crush these eggs and add the rest of the ingredients. Now that the egg pieces are pretty even, I'm gonna add the rest of the ingredients. This is Japanese mayo and it has more egg yolk, so it's got a richer flavor. I love using this. So just about a tablespoon, not too much. A little bit of black pepper, some of the whites of the scallions, some cilantro, and a little bit of chili. Mix it up. Should be of this paste consistency. Okay, now we're ready to make the sandwich. Okay, I have some whole wheat bread here, which is what we eat every day, but you could use any bread of your choice. If you want to make it extra special, use brioche. Spread it evenly so that don't get bites with less egg. That looks just about right. Going to cover this up. Now that we've made the sandwich, we have one more step left. So we're going to toast this sandwich, okay? And in order to get a perfect golden brown crust, we're going to butter this bread. I have some soft unsalted butter. Make sure to get all the edges. Let's do the same on the other side. All right. And now we're ready to toast this sandwich. We have the heat on medium. You don't want it to be too hot. And what I'm doing now is essentially toasting each side of the sandwich. We want a nice golden color and a light crisp. Make sure it doesn't burn, so keep checking every couple of minutes. Wow, look at this color. This really doesn't need that much time. We just want to get a nice golden color on the outside of the sandwich. All right, our sandwich is ready. Let's cut the sandwich in half. I hope you enjoyed these recipes. If you make the recipes, let me know in the comments below. And if you loved these recipes, you're going to love my simple ground beef recipe, and I'll link it for you here.